Hey guys, it's James Johnson with Marine Mech Sail and Ski at our Austin 183 location. I'm here today to show you guys the new 2021 Sea Ray 270 SDX. Now this is a new boat that just came in, and it's got some nuances to it that I'd like to walk you through a few of them. The color on this boat is black bottom, and it has a metallic black, not metal flake black, but a metallic black main stripe, which will have some sparkly to it, but lighter sparkles than metal flake. The color is subtle, but it's really beautiful. Okay, this 270 SDX is really set up to entertain on the water, especially when you're floating around in the cove. This boat is just as graceful with two families on it, hanging out, swimming off the back of the boat. It has this flip down swim step here on the back. You have really nice SeaDek traction all along the back. You have storage access to get your toys and your gear out of this port side storage compartment here in the aft port corner. Coming over here, you've got Transom remote, so you can dial in on your tunes. You've got a spray washdown, and then underneath this lid you have a really nice cooler. Okay, walking through the transom, you have this really nice side walk through, so it's easy in and out, very safe to climb in and out of. Really nice big wraparound seating back here in the port aft corner, and you have kind of a nice Sea Ray feature. You have lumbar support on the seat backs, so this really fills in the gap where the smaller your back is, and it's very comfortable to sit here. But you can see they've got those lumbars on each seat, both the flip-flop observer seat, flip-flop driver seat. Really a neat boat. Coming in here, a few options on this boat that you don't normally see. You actually have in here refrigeration in this cooler storage right here. So put your cold stuff in there. Yep, put your cold stuff in there and it stays cold.
No way.
Yep.
That's awesome.
We didn't pull any punches on these 270 SDXs. We like to bring them in with an actual flushing. Well, that's not a very good view of it, but anyway, we'll come back to that. But you have water sports tower with integrated Bimini top that provides, really more than enough shade to enjoy the hot summer days down here in Texas. This has a 12-inch Simrad screen on here. Digital shift and throttle, really easy, effortless throttle mechanism that has cruise built into it. Some of the advantages of the GPS technology that's out today. Again, you're walking on SeaDek all the time. This is the SeaDek on the swim platform. You come into the cockpit, you've got snap-in SeaDek that can be removed to clean it or to dry it, although it does dry very easily just here on the boat, way easier than the old carpet did back in the day. Coming up to the bow, you got this. The SDXs, they maintain the width of the boat all the way into the bow. So this doesn't have a tapered, pointy bow. It's really nice and wide up here, and just a tremendous amount of room and comfort that you get in this boat. A 6-footer, no problem, can easily sit on this seat and extend their legs fully forward. You've got flip up and down armrests, which are added measure of comfort here. And one of the other things we're bringing in on 270 SDXs is you've got a gorgeous stainless anchor windlass here that will deploy electrically from the helm, and anyway, just makes anchoring a whole lot easier. There is a wash down on the front of the bow here if you bring up some mud on your anchor. Don't want your pretty stainless anchor having a bunch of mud on it. So got the wash down here. Where this boat really excels is comfort. This size spot for Sea Ray since 2000 has just been the total game changer. It's a boat that you can take two families out on, and on a busy holiday weekend in the summer, and you're in a boat that has a smooth ride that's comfortable. You don't feel like you're all piled on top of each other, and that added stress, kind of takes it out of you all day long. This boat, I've spent weekends on this boat, and it's just incredibly comfortable, and just always plenty of room, and always plenty of comfort and ride and everything. And it's got, this is yacht rated, so you can have 12 people on this boat. And come here to the engine compartment. Yes, it has an 8.2 in here. This is 375 horsepower, and this is a big block motor in this 270 SDX. Now, this is an upgraded motor from what we normally bring in. We normally bring in the 6.2 350 horsepower. But anyway, this is going to have more torque to move this boat, load it down with friends and family, and to get you to your favorite spot on the lake. I just got to invite you guys to come out and take a look at this boat, see how comfortable it is when you're sitting in it and moving around. Bring out your friends and family who are going to have any time with you on the water with this boat, and they'll agree that this is really a winner. We're basically have this boat in the showroom, so it's very easy for you to come in and take a good look at here in the climate controlled comfort of our 183 showroom. And again, it's James Johnson with Marine Max Sail and Ski at our 183 location. My phone number is 512-219-2714, and my cell is 512-917-7547. Hope to see you guys on the water.